Good.
Cruzamento. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. We go into the menzaida. 1, but already with the intention of turning. 1, then I cross forward. 2, I turn almost 90 degrees. Then I turn the girl. Here the girls have to close the leg and then open. Close, open, free. And now the guys have to do the same, close, open, and go where the leg of the girl was before. So we go forward. Then I turn the girl straight to me and I step forward and she steps back. 6, sorry, this is 5, 6, and then basic 1, 7, 8, yeah, and then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have a menzaida variation. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, menzaida 5, 6, and now to finish on 8 we do syncopation 7 and 8. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can also combine with the one menzaida, which will look like 1, 2, 3, 4 menzaida, 5 woman zaida, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example. Okay?